Welcome. My name is Thomas Lefort, aka Taxman88, and I'm here to have a conversation today in this video about how to learn how to prepare 1040 series tax returns. And so I have a mentorship and coaching program that's designed to help individuals who look inside their own tax preparation business get started from scratch, help fast track to success, help you get to a place inside your business much quicker, much efficient, and more profitable than you can ever do on your own. It's the solution I bring to the marketplace with my mentorship program. So I'm going to talk about in this video conversation about learning tax preparation. When it comes to doing your research on how to start your own tax business or looking to learn how to prepare income taxes, you're going to get some how-to information on where to go to make that happen. A lot of times, for the most part, you end up in your local area taking someone's tax course either through a national brand or independent business owner or even a tax firm who might be offering tax preparation courses. That's how you generally get started for a lot of us in this industry. So when it comes to having a desire to learn how to prepare individual income taxes, I got started back in 1995 with Jackson Hewitt Tax Service. So many people get started in that similar way with Jackson Hewitt Tax Service, H&I Block Tax Service, Liberty Tax Service, are some of the national names that we're familiar with based on where you live at in the U.S. And so those are some of the common places we go to get started. In some people start online where they do their research and they go to schools that offer tax preparation courses as well. So, it depends on where you decide to go to as far as learning. That's going to be the key to that. So, like I said, a lot of us get started in our local area, taking a course through one of the national known companies, and some of us go online and decide to learn it from home that way. So there's no right or wrong on how to do it. It's just a matter of you making it happen for yourself. So I taught a basic tax course in my local market for many years inside my tax preparation business to clients and to individuals who are looking to learn how to prepare basic income taxes. And so a lot of those people came because they generally had an interest in learning, but no one came because they understood there was a career industry and that they wanted to make a career out of it. A lot of them just saw it as a way of getting a job, but they didn't see the fact that this industry by itself is a career industry. Tax preparation and taxation is a career industry by itself. And so if you don't understand that, that's why you will never make the type of income that you can make inside of this industry if you just see it as a job, if you just see it as a situation where you want to learn how to prepare basic income taxes and you're going to end up going to work for a tax firm. You'll never make the true income you're looking to make if you just have a job mentality, because a job mentality is totally different than a career-minded mentality. And so you want to possess a career-minded mentality if you plan on pursuing this career, because this is an awesome industry. The financial potential is up to you, and no one can put a cap on your income but you. And the first way you put a cap on your income is through working for a company, which means you're an employee now. So this cap just by the very nature of your employee. But if you decide to take it to the next level and start your own tax preparation firm, it's a whole other level to make that happen. So you don't want to have to try to figure that out on your own. The smart move is to invest in some mentorship and coaching or consulting program that's designed to help you get results you're looking to get inside your business much faster, much quicker, and much smoother than you can ever do on your own knowledge and understanding. And so that's the whole purpose of investing. Investing in anything, you're looking for a return on your investment. So when it comes to learning how to prepare 1040 series tax returns, like I said, a lot of us start in our local area, going through national known companies like I just mentioned. Some decide to take it online through a school that's offering it. But no matter how you decide to learn it, it's all about what you're going to do with that knowledge and skills. Once you've obtained it, once you get good at it, is what you want to do. You want to master the knowledge and the skills. You want to constantly keep going. Because, see, I've been in this industry for 19 years, 13 as a business owner. So I run into people all the time who've taken the basics. They've been introduced to the basic income tax course taught by whoever, and they don't understand where they go next. Where you go next from this is you constantly keep learning. Because in reality, you just gotten an introduction to this information. You don't even know it. You don't remember 89% of the stuff that you even went through inside the course that you've taken. So you just been introduced to it. So to really get to know it, you got to prepare taxes year in and year out. You got to do training and studying year in and year out after tax season as well as during tax season. If you plan on mastering this skill, making a career out of it, and making significant income. So that's the key to that. So, I've made awesome money from day one, starting in 2007, all the way up to now. Even when I first took the tax preparation course and got the knowledge and skills, I worked one season for Jackson Hewitt, but I made more money working from home than I ever could make working for a company. Because, see, the money is capped working for a company. Once I got the knowledge and skills to go out here and market myself, my income potential was up to me. So I made way more money working for myself with the knowledge and skills I have than I ever did working for a company. And so that's how that generally works. Once you acquire knowledge and skills in something, you can go outside of the workplace based on what it is and make way more money from it than you ever could working as an employee. So when it comes to learning how to prepare basic income taxes, you know what I'm saying, you got two options. You can find a local organization or school to go to that's teaching it, or you can do your research and find someone online who has a course that you can learn from. But due to the pandemic, a lot of things have been shifted to the online space, which is a new concept for a lot of people. But for me, I've been working online and doing what I do for years online because I understood that online is just online, and it didn't change anything as far as how I did business. So I've been working with clients from all over the U.S. inside of my business because I've always had clients who live all over the place. And I'm from the Midwest / big city Chicago, so making money was never a problem for us. The skills and knowledge that I acquired for tax preparation. But the thing is, you want to keep learning and growing and be good and knowledgeable at the skill set that's going to allow you to make great income just doing basic tax returns. I made six-figure income year after year after year after I got to a certain plateau inside my business just from basic 1040 series tax returns. And so the money is there just in the basic tax preparation needs of clients who are looking to file a tax return. But after you've been in the industry for a while and you decide you want to level up and take your knowledge and skills to a whole nother level, then you look and learn different things inside the taxation and tax preparation industry. So I'm looking to level up and grow my business and learn more about LLCs, corporations, S corporations, partnerships. So that's the direction I'm headed in, where I'm looking to learn more about those type of tax returns than the ones I've always done year after year after year. So that's a part of leveling up. That's a part of taking my knowledge and my skills and my education to a whole nother level by learning some high level information inside this industry that's going to allow me to make even more income in a whole different arena under tax preparation, dealing with different types of businesses under different types of business structures. So that's why I'm headed inside of this industry when it comes to taking my business and taking myself to a whole other level. Because see, I am the business, so the knowledge and skills and growth that I'm willing to invest in me to learn more, to get better, and have different knowledge in different areas, is going to allow me to be an increased asset to myself and to my business. Because now I'm looking to go into a whole other direction that's dealing with business owners who fall into the LLC structure and the corporation structure and the partnership structure and the S corp structure, and being able to have the knowledge and the skills to help them get the results that they need to get inside their business as business owners that they're not familiar with, that they don't understand, is what I'm looking to do in 2021. But I had to get started in 2020 on that path to making that happen. So if you're looking to learn how to do tax preparation, we all start at the basics. You know, I run into people who want to go learn how to do corporate returns, but you haven't even indulged in the basic concept of 1040 series individual tax returns, but you want to go straight from grammar school to college. It doesn't work that way. And I'm not saying that you can't skip kindergarten and elementary school and high school and go straight to college. I'm not saying you can't do that. But what's your chance of being successful in doing it that way? It's going to be very difficult, frustrating, and the percentage of people who are going to be able to actually do that is going to be very, very low. So to be able to skip straight from elementary school to college for the average person is non-existent. So you want to take the most natural path to getting started, and that's learning basic 1040 series tax returns. Start making use of money and building a clientele and building a reputation for your business by helping individual taxpayers with their tax preparation needs inside this space first, and at the same time still having the desire and the zeal and the passion to learn the different types of business structures that exist with the different type of tax returns that you can prepare for clients. Is the end game for yourself. But to think you're going to go straight to learning corporate returns, partnerships, LLCs, S Corps, and all that, when you don't even have an understanding of the 1040 series tax returns that individuals need to even have done for themselves, it's unrealistic. But like I said, I'm not saying it's not possible, but it's unrealistic for the average person who was looking to start their own tax preparation business, who looking to go straight to mastering corporate returns when you can't even master 1040. It's a joke. It's unrealistic. You need to get realistic and understand that you want to build a foundation, making money and knowledge and skills, preparing 1040 returns, being able to do self-employed Schedule C's, rental income type returns, people who have stocks, bonds, mutual fund type returns, interest income, people who have all different types of situations going on just on the 1040 level. You want to be able to master that, make great income from that, build a clientele from that, build your brand from that, build experience from that, build a presence in the marketplace from this point of view, with at the same time having the desire to learn how to do more complex and more serious tax returns based on a totally different business structure and having totally different business knowledge and education under your belt in order to help you be able to do that. It's going to be the key to that you don't even possess when you come to getting started. So you want to get started doing the basics, grow from there, build from there, learn from there, and then get to the point where now you are preparing 1040. Now you're preparing partnership returns, which are 1065. Now you're preparing corporate returns, which are 1120s. Now you're doing S corporations, which is 1120S. Now you're doing LLCs, single members and multi-members tax returns, and understanding that if I want to be an LLC, if I'm not a multi-member firm, I'm defaulted to a Schedule C, and the Schedule C is what I'm going to have to do on my tax return, and the Schedule C is what I'm going to have to file on my 1040, and I'm going to still have to pay self-employment tax along with income tax. And so those are the things you got to understand as a tax preparer / tax professional, is that, man, if you don't have the knowledge and the skills and insight and the education to educate your potential clients with, you know what I'm saying, on the basic, on the simple level, how you going to ever have a chance to go to the next level as far as these different types of business structures that's out here, as far as the partnerships, the corporations, S Corps, LLC type businesses, and individuals who own these type of businesses are looking for knowledgeable, qualified people who know their stuff, you know what I'm saying? And so you got to build yourself up to be able to deal with those type of clientele. And so when it comes to my mentorship and coaching program, like I said, I'm doing a special right now, 3-day special, where it ends. Well, I'm just put like this, October the 2nd, it ends. I'm doing a special pricing. My original price was $19.97 for people who interested, and I got a 6-month payment plan of $350. But I'm knocking off $500 and making it $1,497 with a 4-month payment plan of $375 for the ones who know they're looking to start their own tax preparation business, and especially for the ones that's already working in the industry as tax preparers, who already got knowledge and skills and clientele, and their income is not where they want it to be because it's capped off by working for a firm. It's capped off by working for a business that might not have a whole lot of clientele that you can even service. It's capped off because you capped off. You know what I'm saying? By working under the structure of an employee is a cap automatically. And then if you work for a company that doesn't have a whole lot of clientele that's going to allow you to work from January through April, even with working from January through April, I worked in the industry for 6 years, and the most I ever made was $8,000, and that's because I worked all the way up to September in one particular year. Other than that, I made anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 during January through April. So the money is not hellified, no way, when it comes to working as an employee for a tax firm. So unless you have a professional license and you work for a corporate company somewhere, you're not gonna make the type of income I'm making, because you haven't positioned yourself to do so. And so when it comes to starting your own tax preparation company, if you're not ready to do that, because number one, you don't know what that looks like, you don't know what that's gonna take. You know what I'm saying? Reach out to me, 773-782-1320, and we can talk and I can educate you on what that's going to take for you, what it's going to look like for you, and then let you make an informed decision if you're ready to take action. Because we still got all of October, November, December, and January to get you ready. And the most simple part of what we're going to do is the business setup structure. The actual tax preparation knowledge and skills, and you constantly learning is the focus you want to be on when it comes to the tax preparation portion of your business, along with some other things that's going to allow you to have a successful tax preparation company. You can take care of that piecemeal by piecemeal, but the focus is, man, just getting ready to have your business set up and ready for the 2020 season, which starts in January 2021. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. So every time I upload a video, go live, you'll be notified as I continue to be in this awesome industry of tax preparation and taxation, as I constantly keep growing and learning and becoming the person I want to become to take my business to a whole nother level. That's what I'm working on, and I definitely see you in my next video.